How's it going, guys? Andy here from wholesale-help.com. Just a quick heads up for you today. Kevin Blackburn from lifesuccessengineer.com got in touch with me recently and said, Andy, will you come and speak to my community about starting a successful wholesale business online? Of course, I said, yes, I'd love to. And it occurred to me actually that this is probably something that my community might be interested in as well. So I thought I'd make this quick video to let you know. It's a live webinar and it's going to be on Thursday evening at 7 p.m. UK time. And we'll be talking about all things wholesale. It occurred to me that I'm probably getting about 300 to 500 subscribers each month on this channel, and I imagine there's probably quite a few of you that don't know my background and don't know where I've come from and what I've done. So it might be a good opportunity to hear about how I got started in wholesale, how long I've been doing it and that sort of thing. And we'll be going and taking questions from the viewers as well. So if you want to ask me a question, very happy to answer it. It's a totally free webinar. The link is in the description box down below. If you can't make it at 7 p.m. UK time, I think there will be a replay available. So go ahead and sign up anyway if you're interested. And I think you'll get an email with the replay after the fact as well. So just thought I would let you know that that's going to be happening on Thursday evening. Quite looking forward to it actually. It's always good hanging out with like-minded people. We can chat about wholesale and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have on the subject as well. All right guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to let you know that that's going on. If you're interested, the link is in the description box below. All right guys, take care. I'll speak to you very soon.